everyone, it's Taylor and welcome back to The Backpack. Today I'm going to show you how you can put on acrylic or fake press-on nails. First, you are going to need to prep your nails. I'm going to use a tool to push back my cuticles, cuticle clippers, normal nail clippers, a nail file, and some nail polish remover. First, you're going to want to clip your nails, then file them. Then you're going to want to use something to push back your cuticles. Now, to make sure that you have no extra oil on your nails, you're going to take nail polish remover and clean them. Then, once you have found the nails that you're going to use, you're going to twist them off. Then you're going to take a nail file and file the extra. Be very careful when you are filing off the extra nail, because you could get a little bit on the nail like this one. It will go away, but it is just kind of tacky. Now I'm going to file the extra off of the fake nails. Here are how the nails turned out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how to put on acrylic or fake press-on nails. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. See you next time. Bye!